As of the making of this video, the Tronxy X5SA Pro is on sale for $541, down from $637 on the official website. Due to some weirdly large coupon, I received mine for around $290. However, to ensure my review is as applicable as it can be to the prospective buyer, I will be treating it like it costs $637. Despite being something you need to assemble from scratch, it really wasn't that bad. The instructional manual is written in proper English and is quite easy to follow, and everything I needed was present with a decent amount of extra fasteners. There are two things I didn't like, however. The linear bearings were shipped separate from the linear rails, so when you took the bearings out of the bag, all the balls fell out. The second issue was that all the linear rails shipped dry, and there was a small amount of flash rust on them. They should have had an oil applied to them before they were put into bags. As for the overall quality of the machine, they skimped quite a bit on extrusions, leaving the whole printer feeling somewhat flimsy. The frames, put together by bolting through the extrusions without any reinforcing brackets, like what you would find on similar printers like the Ender 5. The motor pulleys for the X and Y axes were defective, and the belt will skip sometimes, at least for the one that I received. This causes layer shifts, and so far I've wasted about 2 kilograms of filament because of it. Also, the two Z motors are not synced in any way, so you will find that the bed will skew, especially on large prints. There is also no way to tension the belts aside from cutting the zip ties that secure the belt to the tool head and trying to tighten it by pulling more of the belt through the metal tab and securing it once more with another zip tie. Other than these issues, I have no complaints. The printer prints well, the bed heats up quickly, and the extruder is very consistent. I just wish they put more thought and a little more money into some aspects of the printer. The printer, using the stock Cura profile from the Cura marketplace, prints great. The skew and the skipping notwithstanding, it does a great job. Not a lot of bulging on corners or noticeable ringing, the Z probe works great and the glass bed does its job. I'm very glad that they included both the Z probe and the glass bed, as they are things that are a compulsory buy for most people to get the most out of their printer. It handles very big prints very well, due to its Core XY motion system, and the amount of artifacting and print defects does not increase with the size or height of the part. I've printed a 40 centimeter tall Imperial Star Destroyer for a Christmas present, and it did a phenomenal job. So, what should have they done differently? For starters, they should have included the Z synchronizer that they sell on their website stock. It's literally just 2 wheels and a length of 2 GT belt, which probably costs them all of $5 to procure, and is necessary for the printer to function as they intend. They should have shipped the linear bearings already fitted onto the linear rails to retain the steel balls. I also think they should have added some way to tighten the belts, as I mentioned previously. Until they release a revised version that fixes some of these issues and fixes the quality issues with some of the motion hardware, I cannot recommend that you purchase one of these at full price. However, if you can find one on sale, and you are fine with buying an extra few things to smooth some of the issues out, I think you should buy one. If you have any thoughts, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching my video and enjoy the rest of your day.